Nothing Phone 1 has 6.55 inches display and Xiaomi 12 Pro has 6.73 inches display. Here is display resolution of both Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G. Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G, both phones have same 120Hz. Here is aspect ratio of both Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G. The pixel density of both Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro is 402 pixels per inch and 522 pixels per inch. Screen to body ratio of both Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G is 85.8% and 89.6%. Brightness nits of Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro is 1200 nits and 1500 nits. Here is glass type of both Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro phones. The operating system of Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro is Android version 12. Nothing Phone 1 has Snapdragon 778G Plus and Xiaomi 12 Pro has Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. Here is the CPU process of both Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G phones. Nothing Phone 1 has Adreno 642L GPU and Xiaomi 12 Pro has Adreno 730 GPU. Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G, both phones have GPS. The back camera of Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro can record video up to in 4K at 30 fps and 8K at 24 fps. Nothing Phone 1 has 16 megapixels front camera and Xiaomi 12 Pro has 32 megapixels front camera. The front camera of Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro can record video up to in 1080p at 30 fps. Nothing Phone 1 has 4500 mAh battery and Xiaomi 12 Pro has 4600 mAh battery. Nothing Phone 1 has 33 watt fast charging and Xiaomi 12 Pro has 120 watt hypercharge. Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro, both phones support reverse charging. Nothing Phone 1 has 15 watt wireless charging and Xiaomi 12 Pro has 50 watt wireless charging. Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G, both phones have GPS. Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G, both phones have in-display fingerprint sensor. Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G, both phones have face unlock. Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G, both phones have NFC. Nothing Phone 1 doesn't have IR blaster but Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G has. Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G, both phones are water resistant. Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G, both phones are dust resistant. IP rating of Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G is IP53 and IP68.
Neither Nothing Phone 1 and Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G have a 3.5mm headphone jack.